Hello my shining stars. So today we are doing Learn and Solve Maths class 5 by Children Voice Publications. Now chapter 12 volume. The measure of the amount of space occupied by an object is called its volume. We calculate the volume of those objects which have three dimensions: length, breadth and height. Objects with three dimensions are called solid figures, right? Cube and cuboid. You must have seen cube like ice cube, cuboid like book or cupboard. So these are cuboid shape, matchbox. So cube and cuboid are examples of solids. Now first warm up. Which pot can store more water? You can see first or second. So which one? The second one, because this is bigger one. So it holds more water. Now finding volume by counting the number of cubes. So we can find the volume of a box by counting the number of cubes of volume 1 centimeter that can fit into it. So the unit of measurement of volume is cubic centimeter, and how we can write it? Cubic centimeter. 1 millimeter cube give the volume in cubic millimeter, and how we can write cubic millimeter. 1 meter cubes give the volume in cubic meter, and how we can write cubic meter. Okay, now you can see this cube is made up of 8 cubes of volume 1 centimeter. It means 8 cubes of volume 1 centimeter can fit into this cube. That's why its volume is 8 cubic centimeter. Now example 1, find the volume of this solid. So front layer contains 4 rows of 4 units cube. So its volume is 16 cubic centimeter. So the volume of front is 16 cubic centimeter. There are 3 such layers, 1, 2, 3. It means 16 into 3. 48 cubic centimeter. Okay, just think about it. It's very important. Now we are finding volume of a cube and cuboid. We have some formulas. The first one, volume of a cube. You know cube, all the sides are same. So its formula is edge into edge into edge. Means side into side into side. Side cube or edge cube, cubic unit. The second, volume of cuboid. Cuboid has different dimensions, length, breadth and height. So volume is L into B into H. Okay, sometimes volume and length and breadth given but height is missing. So what we can do, we can find the height, volume divided by length into breadth. Similarly, if we want to find breadth, then volume divided by length into height. And if we want to find length, then volume divided by height into breadth. See example 1. Find the volume of a cube if each side is 5 centimeter. So what is the volume? So side into side into side, side cube. So that is 5 into 5 into 5, 125 centimeter cube. Example 2, find the volume of cuboid whose length is 10 centimeter, breadth is 9 and height is 7 centimeter. See all the dimensions, all the units are same. Centimeter, centimeter, no need to convert. So volume of cuboid is L into B into H, 10 into 9 into 7, 630 centimeter cube. See next example 3, if volume of a cuboid is given 27 centimeter cube, length is 3 and breadth is 3 centimeter, find the height. So height is volume divided by length into breadth. Just substitute the values, cut it. So what is answer? Answer is 3 centimeter. Okay. Now example 4, convert the following like A part 0.4 meter cube into centimeter cube. Be very careful. We know 1 meter 100 centimeter. 1 meter square 100 into 100 centimeter square. 1 meter cube 3 times 100. 100 into 100 into 100 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. सो इस नंबर को हम इससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. दिस इज द वैल्यू. नाउ बी पार्ट, 7250 millimeter cube into centimeter cube. You know 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. So 1 centimeter cube equals to 1000 millimeter cube. तो हम इस नंबर को 1000 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. This is the answer. Now assessment 1. First question A part. Name 3 objects that have the shape of a cube. You know ice cube, dice. Okay. The B part. Name 3 objects that have the shape of a cuboid like matchbox, cupboard, book. And now name 3 objects that have the shape of a sphere. You can write it. And name 3 objects that have the shape of a cylinder. Now the second one, find the volume of each solid if one small cube is of volume 1 centimeter. So you can try this one. Third one also. Fourth, calculate the volume of the cube with side like C part 22 centimeter. So what is the volume? Volume is 22 into 22 into 22 centimeter cube. You can find the answer. Similarly, fifth question, find the volume of cuboid with these measurements like B part, length is 7, B is 2 centimeter, height is 2.5. So volume is L into B into H. First always write the formula. 7 into 2 into 2.5 centimeter cube. You can calculate it. Okay. Now here the sixth one, complete the table. Like here L given, B is missing, height is 12 meter and volume is 1800 meter cube. So we have to find the breadth. So what is breadth? Breadth is volume divided by L into H. So 1800 upon 10 into 12. So we can calculate it. So that is the value. Similarly, try the remaining parts. And seventh question you can try on your own. Now we are talking about word problems on volume. Example 1. The internal edge of a cubical tank is 14 meter. Find the volume. So that is side into side into side. So you can calculate it. Example 2. Each side of a small cubical box is 4 centimeter. There is another big cubical box whose each side is double of the small carton box. How many small carton will fit in the big carton box? It means हम find करेंगे दोनों का volume. So volume of small cubical carton is 4 into 4 into 4, 64 centimeter cube. So volume of the big cubical carton, इसकी side है double of the smaller one, means 8. So 8 into 8 into 8, 512 centimeter cube. We have to find the number of small cartons that fit in the big carton. It means volume of the big carton divided by volume of one small carton. So this is answer 8. Okay. Now assessment 2. First question, how much cubic centimeter of sand is required to fill a sand pit 7 meter long and 4 meter wide to a depth of 40 centimeter? It means we have to find the volume, but here height is 40 centimeter, convert into meter. So this is 0.4 meter. Now find the volume. L into B into H. So 7 into 4 into 0.4 meter cube. But we have to find in cubic centimeter. So it means we have to change the dimension into centimeter. I did in meter. So 700 centimeter, it would be easy. Then breadth is 400 centimeter and then height is 40 centimeter. So find the volume. Okay. Similarly, you can try second question. The third question, a box is 15 centimeter long, 10.8 centimeter broad and 7.2 centimeter high. So find the volume occupied by 1200 such box. It means volume of one box, volume of one box, length into breadth into height, 15 into 10.8 into 7.2. Okay, then volume of 1200 whatever the volume, multiply by 1200. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now we have MCQ, you can try this one also. I hope the concept is very much clear to you. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us for more videos. Stay happy, stay blessed.